slipped down and started to cry. Mama said, be careful, you see. Now 4 little monkeys, count with me. 4 little monkeys playing in the sun, chasing butterflies, having fun. One fell down and scraped his toe. Mama said, slow down, go slow. Now 3 little monkeys jump with glee. 3 little monkeys near the big green tree, sharing snacks, happily leer. One ate too fast, oh no, oh dear. Mama said, drink some water here. Now 2 little monkeys laugh and run. 2 little monkeys sliding down, up and down, all around. One got tired and sat on the bench. Mama said, time to rest a bit. Now 1 little monkey left to play. One little monkey waving bye-bye, sun going down in the sky. Park is closing, time to go. Mama said, home we go, you know. No little monkeys at the park today, all went home.